summertime. Wimbledon is just finished, and you know what that means. We have strawberries. With those strawberries, we're going to make something that's Shirley's favourite, Eton Mess. It's only 3 ingredients, nice and easy. Join us, it's going to be delicious. Well guys, here it is, Eton Mess. Let's try it.
Really nice. It's delicious.
It's your favourite, isn't it?
Yeah.
Where did you try it first?
In London Zoo.
That's right. This is Eton Mess, Shay style. That's delicious. The strawberries, when we bought the strawberries, they were quite bitter, but with the pavlova, it's really delicious. The meringue.
What is the story of this?
That
What is the
reminds me.
story of this?
And story? Well, this dessert goes back over 100 years. I think it's 1883, 100 years before I was born. And the story is they made a pavlova, which is meringues, strawberries on top. It being England, we love cricket. They tripped, they fell over. The pavlova went splat. They didn't want to waste it, so they scooped it up and they put it in a bowl and they served it in the cups, and it became Eton Mess. Because Eton is a famous college within the UK. We have Oxford, we have Cambridge, and we have Eton College. It's actually a university, but it's come from that. It's a very old English style.
You like it?
It's delicious, perfect for the summertime, isn't it?
Yeah.
Very delicious. What's your favourite dessert that you have in summertime from your country? Let us know in the comments. Maybe we can try that as well.
In my country is fruit salad.
Yeah, fruit salads is very, very delicious, aren't they? Very popular in the Philippines. How's that compared to this? Different, isn't it? Very.
Yeah, very different.
All the different textures and flavours together in one. Oh, you've already eaten yours? All yours is gone. Well, guys.
I have some more here. Ta-da.
Oh, he's got more. Wow. Well, before Shay eats all of the Eton Mess, I'm going to end the video now and let us know in the comments if you've got any opinions or ideas for the next video. Remember, we're making 2 videos a week. I know we've slacked in the past, but we've had our reasons. And yeah, so give us a like, give us a subscribe, and no, not a thumbs down. Never a thumbs down, always a thumbs up. Until the next video, guys, Ingat Car.
Bye-bye.
That's it.